I got a Leer 700 flat lid bed cover for 17 to current Ford Super Duty with the 7-foot bed. This is a factory second, which means it's new, it's never been installed, but it has some paint issues. So it's got a scratch right there, has some scuffs here, has some chips on here, a little bit of chips across the back edge. Not a lot of problems. It does have some imperfections. There's a scratch up there on the top. The edge of this looks pretty nice all the way down through here. Not a lot of damage on the edge. Has some chips right here on the edge. Right there. There. Right there's one. We got a little bit of an imperfection right there in the paint. Some scratches right there. A little bit of a chip right there on the edge. The bottom edge of this one here looks pretty nice as well. Not a lot of damage along this bottom edge. I don't see any right now. A little bit of a chip right there on that edge, and then right there, a bit of a scuff right there. Really not too bad. I think that's just dirt there. That's about it on this one here. This has got carpeted interior on it. The framework to mount it is all there. This has never been installed. All this paperwork and the way the rails are shipped to us from factory is still intact. There's the tag. It's the F700, it's 69FS17, which makes it for the 17 to current Ford Super Duty. 6.9 foot bed. So there it is. Leer 700. It's a 17 to current Ford Super Duty with a short bed, 7-foot bed, black, factory second, just a few minor paint issues, but ready to go for the price. Thanks for watching.